inside. Our team is surrounded by unknown enemies. Need backup. Leave it!
This is impossible. My calculations are flawless. What exactly could have brought us to this ruined world?
We cannot die here. We have gone through countless worlds and passed by death countless times. We must unite. My friend, you must hold on.
Brace yourselves. More flashbacks incoming.
At night, the bases will attract no end of dangerous creatures. If it is destroyed, we'll be torn to pieces by the storm in seconds. Bastards are here, guns are loaded. Let's get this started.
Target inside. Our team is surrounded by unknown enemies. Need backup. Leave it!
You'll hardly know to look at it now, but our best intel says it was a secret research institute. Not so secret anymore. Let's just call it an ex-research institute. Surprisingly, there are many places in this research institute to explore. You're cautious in entering here, and bring me back all the delicious intel you can find.
Double points.
The electronic components of this device are done. Keep your eyes open for too much story. The advanced team deployed this device to provide you with all the scaly little intel to fit and your heart would desire. Stage flora. Select some seed for analysis. Alas, horticulture is as close to culture as you're likely to get. Now, who would be calling such an obviously abandoned research facility? Battle of epic proportions is brewing. Keep your wits about you and be ready for anything. Going on where you are. I can't locate you on the map. What? How did you get here? Was there a speed distortion? My point is, you appear to have encountered the ultimate incarnation of these creatures. You cannot escape this distorted creature space while they still live.
impossible. My calculations are flawless. What exactly could have brought us to this ruined world?
We cannot die here. We have gone through countless worlds and passed by death countless times. We must unite. My friend, you must hold on.
This place is way more dangerous than we thought.
I need more time.
Brace yourselves. More flashbacks incoming.
How about we make a deal, stranger? Wait, you trigger-happy madman! It's a person? Well. I'm afraid you've fallen down the wrong rabbit hole, Alice. But beggars can't be choosers, So let's make a deal. You help us, and you don't die. A win-win, yeah? Not that you have much choice here.
Back up. The base is being attacked. Get those bastards away from it. Now that was a fight. Try to dogpile us when the sun's down and run scared the minute it comes up with you. The friggin' cowards. Orders. Trust me, I know the feeling. But listen, this place has gone to hell. It's getting worse fast. Richtofen is stepping up to repair our teleportation device. It's not going to be an easy job. You find us and provide some support. You might actually make it out of here. The speck of good news in all this is that there are still some supplies scattered around this dump. Get yourself armed and maybe mow down an undead ugly or two on the way over.
A broken clock is right twice a day, yes? Well, that is German and his plan. Consider it the first correct strike of day. No, this is not good.
As a doctor, I'm afraid it is my duty to break bad news. By passing through the rift, your world has been affected by the ether. Ether energy has the power to tear open the seams of the multiverse itself, allowing humans and objects to shuttle in and out of time and space. Our coming here was purely by accident. Turrets can be summoned, but as they are placed as the zombies pass, they will automatically attack. Just don't put the turret outside the defensive umbrella. They can't stand the storm. Listen to me carefully. At night, the bases will attract no end of dangerous creatures. If it is destroyed, we'll be torn to pieces by the storm in seconds. Bastards are here, guns are loaded. Let's get this started.
Push up.
No, this is not good.
The base is being attacked. Get those bastards away from it. on, kid. You can't die here.
What are you doing? The base is smoking. Clear the enemies. Repair, repair, repair. Stop distracting me from my work. Oh, finally, the transmission device is almost repaired. You'd better collect more supplies and meet back here before nightfall so we can prepare. I've sent the salvage we've gathered from several scattered vehicles your way. Use it wisely. Running vehicles are rare commodities. I'll show you how to use one. Exercise caution. The ether storm paralyzes motors when night falls. Because, of course they do. Can you even fathom the energy it takes to transport you back? Be serious and focus on your task. You're almost there. If the etheric energy is raging at night, it should be able to provide enough energy to help us reopen the portal. As for you, I'm afraid if you don't make it back on time, we won't wait for you. Don't let poor punctuality be your downfall. You seem like an honest, if simple-minded sort of person, so do enjoy. For today, I will provide you with more defensive turrets. In addition, I'm sending you my latest turret design. You may look over the blueprints for more details. Upgrading the original turret should help it endure more of those creatures.
Do not be stingy with bullets either. Let them rain down like hellfire.
The base is being attacked. Get those bastards away from it.
Reloading.
Now that was a fight. Try to dogpile us when the sun's down and run scared the minute it comes up, will ya? Them friggin' cowards.
This is not that complicated. Just look at the vortex. If the etheric energy rages at night, transmission cracks open, when these monsters are then attracted by the energy. Like raccoons drawn to the dumpster. But these are infinitely more fun to blow up.
The base is being attacked. Get those bastards away from it.
Cover me. Reloading. Reloading.
The ether energy transmission device is normal. The time-space axis calibration is good. Energy devices are being accumulated to protect the base when we are ready to go home.
Airdrop has been delivered. Airdrop has been delivered. What the hell, Doc? We teleported, but we're still in the same damn place.
Do you think I don't know that, Dempsey? The energy in this space is too strong. It's sucking us in place like candy. We need to harness more of that energy ourselves to break through this barrier.
Ah, I see broken clock ticks on.
Can you even fathom the energy it takes to transport you back? Be serious and focus on your task.
Ah, I almost forgot. There is also a large warehouse where you can share supplies with your teammates. In my homeland, unity is our virtue, so be generous. Leave extra materials in public warehouse for your teammates to use.
I'm going to need some time on this, so I suggest making good use of your new equipment. The teleportation setting is active, but the etheric energy accumulation will attract more enemies. I've broken the eggs. It's up to you to clean it up.
Airdrop has been delivered. 7, 8, 9. Holy shit, there are even more cracks for the monsters to teleport through now. Get ready, soldier. It's gonna be a big one.
Reloading. Reloading.
The base is being attacked. Get those bastards away from it. Hang on, kid. You can't die here.
Reloading.
The base is being attacked. Get those bastards away from it.
Time on spacecraft scan completed. Coordinate positioning completed. Transmission line normal. Now tell the teleport start. 3, 2, 1. Teleport start. Look, new portal is open. Men, we are going home.